activity.
What's good? What we doing here? What we doing?
Right now we have a police dog. We're gonna suit you up and he's gonna run at you and he's gonna bite you.
And saying he's gonna chase me. I thought he was playing at first. I thought it was a joke. But he was dead ass serious.
Oh, hell nah. I'm out. Hell nah. Hell nah. So bro, we drove 10 minutes to get fucking bit by a dog?
Come on, bro. You can't.
Hell no.
He was serious about a police dog chasing me. My little self. Now, I still know my tour guide was out to get me when he said this, bro. Like, when he set up this next activity, I was like, yeah, bro, like, you must don't like me. You must want me to leave Slovenia or something.
Oh, hell no.
You seem scared.
What, bro?
What, bro? I'm never scared. I wasn't really scared, you feel what I'm saying? Low key, I want to test the speed of the dog. Is the dog faster than me?
This dog better not be having a bad day right now. What if he never catch me? Hold on, chat. This about to be the theory. Am I faster than a dog? This about to be the theory right here, chat. Am I faster than a dog? Hey, chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. Bro, he tripping on God. On my mama. On my mama. Hey. Okay. All right. Damn. What the fuck? Hey, get his ass. Bro, get off me, nigga. Bro, get off me, bro. Hand up. It is up. The fuck is...
Do y'all have control over this dog? I think this dog got a mind of his own.
Wait, what? Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Here. Oh, shit. Ah, fuck. Ah, stop. Stop, you got it. You got it. Fuck, you about to my armor. Chill out, nigga. Chill out. Get off me, bro. Get off me. Get one more. I'm scared, bro. Oh, get off me. Get off me. Oh, get off me. What do you mean? Oh, shit. Ah. He got it. Okay, I'm done. He got it. You got it, big boy. You got it. He too damn happy to be biting black people, bro. He too.